look who I'm with. If you don't know who she is, she's SJ Loves Jewelry. So
Hello, hi, I'm Shreya.
She's actually Shreya Jain, but her channel is called SJ Loves Jewelry.
For no apparent reason, please don't even try to think why it's called that way.
If you don't follow her already, you are missing out. She makes wonderful videos. She makes makeup tutorials, lip swatch videos, hauls.
Like we are true blue makeup vloggers.
The things that I do, she does that, and she's been doing them for years and years and years. If you haven't subscribed to her already, please do. I'm going to leave her links down below. And we have been planning this for months. We have been planning this since like November, I feel like.
Yeah.
And it's finally happening. We're finally collabing.
Like something or the other kept happening and we couldn't collab and it was like
But finally
it's happening.
We were so excited. I think we hardly slept last night.
I know, like we were talking like 3, 4.
I'm so excited to see you.
I was like, I'm so excited.
We need to film this now.
We need to film this now. And we're also going to be doing a video on my channel which is going to be about our favorites.
Our favorite products of all time.
All time. So first watch this video. Once you're done watching this video, then
Go
you
over
can
to her channel and watch that video. And that video is where we discuss all our favorite products. And I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and it's also going to be in the description box below. So make sure you check those videos out. This video is a
get ready with me, like a
glam get ready with me, where we do
glam
like
glowing.
our go-to smoky eyes.
Yes, that's
So-
it's like you might have already seen it, but this is like the tadka of our talks in between.
Yeah.
Like we talked about,
I'm sure this is going to be a long video.
like we talked about everything.
Everything. We talked about everything, and we also talked about everything off camera.
A lot of things off camera.
So yeah, I think this video is going to be a long one. So grab a
Something
snack,
to eat.
and we have ordered pizza. You might as well order some pizza and eat this video. I said
Eat this video. Like eat us. You're so cute. Eat me.
and watch this video. So yeah, let's just get into the video.
because it's gonna be a long one.
Yes. So let's get started.
So you're putting on Borolin first.
Yes, because this is my eye cream.
Oh no, I'm gonna be putting on PAC Makeup Moisture Lotion.
When I am making a video on my own, I have a mirror right here. Now, I feel like I'm doing the no mirror makeup challenge. Be very slow, okay? Because I take hours to get ready.
I am generally very quick.
So be very slow.
Okay, I'm just massaging and we're on the same step now.
Because I take my own sweet time to get ready. When I'm filming a makeup tutorial, it takes me around 2.5 hours.
No, I just like the process of getting ready with it.
Because I enjoy it. That's why I don't want to rush through it.
Applying the primer because I epilated my face yesterday and I have a lot of texture on my face. That will go down in a couple of days on its own. Sweet little time.
I wax my forehead, and when I wax my forehead like goes crazy. So
Huh?
I have like red bumps on my
Same here,
forehead.
like you can see here, like same thing. Oh, apne aap, it'll go, it's take its own
It'll
sweet
take
little
about
time.
4 or 5 days after.
But I love the feeling, like the post-epilation feeling and the way my face
the
looks.
baby's butt soft feeling.
Yeah, I love
You just
that.
want to keep feeling your face.
I know it. Oh, my uppers are so smooth.
So my forehead is so smooth, all my baby hair is gone. Because I have lots of baby hair, na? I think you can see because I waxed about 2 weeks ago. So now I can feel them coming back. So I like
That's like the worst feeling when you can feel your hair coming back. It's like,
No.
bye, stay
No.
away.
Why do I have to wait for them to come back?
I hate it when like the pre-grow, like the post.
The waiting period.
The waiting period, yeah.
When you have to wait till
And the pre, the post, the past, the present.
when the eyebrows are coming, you have to wait to.
Like उनका पूरा length हो जाए. I'm like, ugh.
Sometimes I just take my tweezer and I'm like.
That's what I do. Like,
Stray hair.
like generally also.
Milani?
Yeah. How much foundation do you generally take? Like pump wise?
It depends. If I'm using a brush, then I take 1 pump. If I'm
One
using-
pump?
If
Just
I'm-
1 pump?
Because a brush spreads the foundation, and I like a sheer foundation coverage, and then concealer.
I though take like 2-3 pumps and then I do it with a sponge. So like
So if you that's what I was saying. That if I use a sponge, then I take 2 pumps.
I just like keep going and then
Because the sponge doesn't make it look cakey, no?
it doesn't make it look cakey.
Finish goes
Plus
away.
obviously depends on the foundation as well. Like this one in particular, it's a really beautiful coverage. So I don't mind even like a nice layer of it on my face. Makeup sometimes is like more than magic, man. But this is my favorite part, like putting on foundation.
Oh, putting on concealer, I think.
Oh!
When your under eyes go away,
It's like, oh!
life is back.
I feel so good
My
about
soul
it.
is back inside me.
Yeah, I feel so good. I'm just like, why does this give me so much pleasure?
Because when you have this dark under eye circle, you feel like you're dead inside.
And then plus also like whenever I put on foundation and I suddenly start matching to my body, I'm just like,
now I feel like myself.
now I feel like myself. Because generally our face and body like never
Never.
किसी का light हुआ किसी का dark हुआ.
My body is much better than my face.
My body is like,
because I'm a hermit, I don't get out of the house, so I never get tan.
my body is like crazy. Like it has different tones all over. Like all over, different tones. Then my face is
But
crazy.
that's why you need so many foundations of different shades, no?
My face is crazy. It has like, if there are 365 days, it can have 366 tones. Yeah.
But that means you're susceptible to tan, no?
A lot.
You get tan easily.
Very easily, like extremely easily.
It's launching in India.
It already did. In Mumbai.
Yeah, why? Why Mumbai first?
I don't know. Starbucks, Becca. Why Mumbai first?
Starbucks wasn't.
Yeah.
Really?
Tata House name because it got launched with Tata's.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, it got launched with Tata's. I didn't know they launched in Mumbai first. But that's Starbucks because I don't drink coffee, na. Yeah, I don't drink coffee or tea. I have coffee like twice a year maybe. जब मिलानो खाने का मन करता है ना, तो I have coffee with
What
मिलानो.
do you drink?
Nothing. मतलब I drink soda sometimes. I try to avoid soda because soda. And I prefer juices. Coconut. I love coconut water.
हाँ नारियल पानी is
Oh my
love.
god. I have like so many coconuts at my place कि खाने के साथ when I want something to drink, I always have coconut water.
No, because I am like addicted to coffee. Like मुझे दिन की 2 चाहिए.
हाँ. When I used to work, I used to work, of course. When I used to work at an office, then I had to have coffee, and then maybe दिन में एक cup coffee हो जाती थी because when you're at work ना तो जगने के लिए computer पे when you're staring at the computer
for so long.
you need coffee. तो उस time हो जाती थी, but then I hated drinking so much coffee. I've never liked coffee or tea. घर पे कभी कोई पूछता है चाय पियोगी कॉफी पियोगी मुझे क्यों पूछते हो यार आपको पता तो है मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I don't like चाय कॉफी.
That's.
और गरम plus I don't like.
I am a cold coffee person. I'm not a hot coffee person.
I don't like hot drinks at all.
I'm a cold coffee person. I need cold. Hot coffee only जब दिल्ली में सर्दियाँ और आप धूप में बैठ के आराम से like और वो भी मैं ठंडी करके पीती हूँ.
तो it's not hot coffee.
It's not hot coffee anymore. I like cool it down properly and then only I have it. दो बार कौन सा shade है?
NC30.
Same here.
See, we are the same shade. I was telling you, na?
No, but you slide. See, I use that NC30 thing because it's highlighting for me. It's not my real concealer shade.
Even NC30 is highlighting for me. It is not my real concealer.
How can this be true? Like, come near me. We are not the same shade.
Yes, we are. I'm looking like extremely highlighted right now because I have concealer and everything. Once I bronze and everything, you'll see.
Oh yeah, bronzing man. Like, I love bronzing.
I love bronzing as much as highlighting.
I love contouring, bronzing, everything. I love makeup in short.
I love makeup too. I feel so good actually doing my makeup with someone who likes makeup just as much as I do because most of my girlfriends hardly know how to apply makeup. So I am the only one doing makeup and everyone's waiting for me and I'm like, तुम भी कुछ करो यार.
It's like seriously, कुछ तो करो.
Because once you start, you won't be able to go back.
You won't be able to go back. It's like it's an addiction.
It's an addiction.
In a good way. I generally like almost 0 times use flash. Like almost 0.
I always use flash for my makeup pictures because the camera that I use, na Sony A5100. The flash that camera has, it is meant for makeup photography.
Makeup photography, okay.
Because that flash doesn't make you look white. It actually shows all the makeup.
True colors.
It shows the true colors of makeup. So all my makeup shots on Instagram, everywhere, my thumbnails are always from that camera only.
No, I like generally never ever use flash even for like normal photographs. जब तक रात का rent ना हो and there's no lighting, nothing, then maybe I can use flash. And जब से I started doing powders with my sponge, I'm like,
I swear, you know,
there's no brush.
It is kind of counteractive. Like you wouldn't think a wet sponge would apply a powder because wet products don't mix.
Yeah.
But a wet sponge applies powder so
like
flawlessly.
No one's business.
I swear. Brush palette. I love this brush palette.
Where do you get it from?
I got a brush kit from Forever New about 4 or 5 years ago.
Okay.
So it had brushes, Forever New ke brushes.
Which would have been shit.
But I was a beginner, man. I was starting out, so I didn't want to invest.
Yeah, obviously we all get brushes from like Forever 21 and this and
when
that.
you're starting out, na Vega, my god.
I never use Vega brushes, you know.
Really?
I never.
Some of them are okay.
I never use. मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही Vega का brush है. That's not even a real makeup brush because it's like a face pack brush.
Huh.
Yeah.
That is a face pack brush.
Yeah, it's not even a makeup brush.
Some of them are okay. The Vega ke brushes.
I've never used
Their
them. I
eyeshadow
don't know.
blending brush is
Huh.
very very similar to MAC 224.
And MAC का भी I only have one brush.
Really?
Yeah.
I love my MAC eye brushes.
I always got like Inglot के brushes for some reason.
I haven't used Inglot. I only have eyebrow brush from Inglot.
No, I have a couple of like the face brush and stuff. So, and eyeshadow brush. Like for me especially, I'm more of an Inglot person. I really love Inglot. I've said it a gazillion times and I still say it.
Yes, I love Inglot.
It's so underrated.
It is so underrated.
It is extremely underrated and it like breaks my heart. I didn't get anything for the eyebrows, did I? I didn't get anything for eyebrows.
Please go and get something and I will do my nose contour.
नहीं तब तक तो I'll पहले to finish my face, no?
No, please give me some time.
For face, obviously,
You are running ahead.
it has to be like champagne pop.
Actually, you are already highlighting?
Yeah.
I highlight last when everything is done.
No, I do पहला पूरा face.
Such way?
Yeah.
But when you're doing your eyes, तो face पे जो makeup किया होता है ना rubs off with your hand.
No, I don't rest my hand on my face only, no?
Really?
I don't.
I think it's impossible not to.
See my, for further information, see my videos.
YouTube.com/SDLustJewelry. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and trust me, my eyebrows take 15 minutes. I take 15 minutes just for my eyebrows. That's why I always skip my eyebrows in my videos.
The eyebrows, so yeah, you should take time.
I always skip my eyebrows in my videos because I've never changed how I do my eyebrows, so I don't even try new products. I stick to what I like because
You know what's working for you.
why fix when it ain't broke?
Yeah.
So I love that I've found the best products for my eyebrows that I really love. So I don't feel the need to change those products.
Yeah, obviously.
And plus, I feel like if I show how I do my eyebrows in every video, it gets kind of
It's
repetitive.
monotonous.
It's very monotonous. Look at my broken compact.
Heartbreak. Hashtag heartbreak.
I love it. Look at this, my god. It's shattered so bad.
So it's now a loose powder.
It's not. When I can crush it and make it loose powder.
Loose powder, yeah.
But I'm definitely going to get a new one. This is the Revlon Photo Ready powder. If you like coverage, you will love this.
And even if you don't, like just use it with the light hand.
And sometimes there are times when I don't want to use foundation.
So you just like use the powder?
Concealer and powder. Thoda sa under eye concealer
Hmm.
and then just use powder on the rest of your face and you don't need to use foundation after that.
The only thing I don't like about highlighters is what they do to your texture.
Pores and texture.
Like,
yeah.
this wasn't visible and now it is.
I forgot to apply liquid. That's okay. Maybe I can just do it over. Oh, I hate applying liquid highlight over powder.
Powders, yeah, that sucks. It just breaks up your
I
makeup.
hate using cream products over powder, but
It breaks up your product so bad.
I think the Becca one is still okay over powder.
Like what I'd like to do is first I go a little ham heavy with my highlight so that I'm like glowing like a goddess, and then what I do
You are
is
seriously glowing like a goddess at this point.
and then what I do is I just take a setting spray. Any would do. Right now I'm just using this LA Girl Pro HD setting spray, and I just like to take a quick shower in it, like completely bathe myself in it.
You must have sprayed like 20 times. No kidding.
Yeah, I'm saying I take a quick shower in it.
That was a shower.
And then I just take my sponge and just go all over my face. This is my favorite technique. It just like
Blends everything into your skin.
everything into your skin.
I like to apply my highlight last and then setting spray and then just go over the setting spray with a little bit more highlight. Because
yeah.
it's wet and then
Then
it's wet, it catches
Then it's
the
like
highlight.
pop. That's what I do as well. Like I'm not, see, now the highlight just like mellowed down
Yeah.
so much.
But your skin looks flawless now, no? Because of the
Setting spray thing, yeah.
Because it doesn't make things look cakey.
Yeah, and then I go back with a little bit more highlight because highlight. I count my blush and everything in base.
Really?
Yeah,
I don't.
I do.
Blush, bronzer, highlight, everything in the end. I think I'm going to bronze my face though because I'm looking really white right now.
So it's okay. It all comes together in the end. Like every makeup look, especially
together.
I feel like you can do everything, but until you have a lipstick on,
Nothing looks perfect.
nothing looks perfect. Like because I also apply a little bit of foundation on my lips, So I look really weird till I do my lips.
Exactly. I don't apply foundation on my lips, but I feel like
It's like
dry
crusty.
and
No, but what I do is I just apply it, and before applying my lipstick, I remove it. So I still have like I don't have any crustiness, but I have slight coverage from the foundation.
Then you get the true color of
The lipstick. Yeah.
Sometimes I do that in lip swatch videos, but
Not in real life.
not in real life. I feel like it gets crusty. Because in lip swatch videos, you want to give the exact
Perfect color, yeah.
color of the lipstick.
Yeah. So I got Kryolan ka yellow powder.
Oh, Kryolan has a yellow powder.
Yeah. Like their Supra Color Base is one of my favorite foundations. Like I know with this thing what I'm gonna get every single time. It's really good.
I like the Dermacolor camouflage creams. They're very nice.
The concealers, no? They're also very nice. So my blush, highlight, setting powder, setting
Everything
spray,
is done.
Everything is done. I'm just gonna get
Please
some.
take a break. Take as much time as you want.
So we're both on eyebrows.
Yeah, but I'll be 15 minutes and you will be 5.
No, not 5. I take time with my eyebrows because again eyebrows.
I have to concentrate so hard.
So hard because it's so easy to go overboard like this.
It's so easy to mess up.
It's very easy to mess up. Like I did my brows yesterday and I liked them so much. I did them slightly. I feel them slightly heavier than I usually do, and it just made my face look so framed. So I'll try to achieve the same, and I'm damn sure I won't be able to.
That's why I don't change my eyebrow routine, because once you find the right shape, the right products that work for you.
No, it's not about even the product. It's only about the shape. You know, when you don't have to go to somewhere important, you always get the best brows.
Oh my god, I know, right? And one brow is always
better than the other. Like I
like my left side more than I like my right.
I like my right
My
side.
right eyebrow is better than my left eyebrow.
I like my right side better than my left side. Like left side is the ugly twin.
Really, my right side is the other thing.
My left side is
So we are sitting perfect.
Yeah. Upper profile
Up
state.
there, the profile state. But my right side is totally shitty because my nose is bent now. I had an accident when I was a kid. I was 8. So I was going through a park and दो तीन लड़के ना cricket खेल रहे थे. So this boy was playing cricket and he ऐसे जोर से bat घुमाया और वो full mood में था घुमाने के bat and the bat hit my nose with full force.
Oh shit.
So you see this bent?
Yeah.
That is where the bat hit me. And I was wearing a white dress. It turned all red with all the blood. I broke my nose.
Oh shit.
And that's why my nose always goes towards this side.
Because the bat wanted to go to that side.
Because a bat hit my face. So ever since then I've always wanted to get a nose job. But I'm just so scared because I've heard horror stories.
Yeah, like Koina Mitras.
What if? Oh my god! I feel so bad for her.
I feel so bad for her.
What if it goes wrong? And the other thing is, because once you get a nose job,
You can't get
You
restructured
can't-
as well.
what?
You can't go back.
You can't go back. And the other thing is, for the first month, you have to breathe through your nose. You cannot taste food. The first month is very hard.
Very hard.
Once you get a nose job.
That's it.
So
Every
that's
sort
what
of
I'm
thing.
scared of. Like, I don't think I can breathe through my nose for breathe through my mouth for like a whole month. And
That's
you have to sleep with your mouth open.
Yeah, like that's for everything.
You
Like
can't
even with as minor thing as eyelash lift, you can't like flip over and sleep. And with me,
Really?
yeah, you can't. I can like flip over and sleep. Like I sleep on my face.
I sleep on my side.
I sleep on my face.
Like chest down.
Yeah.
But that's like you're falling asleep position.
Yeah. Either the womb position or the head on the pillow position. For so much concentration, it's like
Oh my god.
such a tense moment right here.
I think the next time I'm gonna concentrate this hard is when I'm doing my winged eyeliner.
That's why I'm not gonna do a wing liner.
I'm probably gonna have to go over there because I need two eyes. I need 2 hands for my winged liner because I need to pull my eyelid.
एक हाथ से सब कुछ कर रही हो.
I need to pull my eyelid with one hand and then apply my liner with the other hand. So I'll have to stand and.
But I've heard like pulling your eyes like
It's very bad for you. I hate myself for it, but
no. What I do is like I learned this trip. I learned this trip from Elton. So what he does is he like pushes the eyebrow up like that, so you get more space to work with here.
no, but I'm fine over here. Okay, my biggest trick for winged eyeliner is applying a pencil liner from hair to hair because pencil liner is very smooth and creamy. The smooth and creamy ones, not the harsh
Not the
ones.
hard ones, obviously.
So you apply a pencil liner from hair to hair and just use a liquid for your wing. That way it is so easy for anyone to get a winged eyeliner because I feel like the hard part for people is not the wing, it's to get an even fine circle line.
Even line which is not like 2 miles away from your lash line.
Exactly. So what I do is I apply a pencil liner from hair to hair and then I draw my wing with the liquid and then I fill in the white spaces between my lashes with the liquid.
See, you know, whatever you say, whatever you do, the biggest question that everyone gets is how to do a perfect wing liner. And no matter how many tutorials you see, no matter how many tutorials you see, until you find your own little way, like for me,
Your own trick.
maybe a gel liner works best, it doesn't. I'm just like giving an example.
It doesn't.
It doesn't. I'm just giving an example. So yeah, maybe for someone a gel liner works, for someone liquid liners, for some pencil liners. So you have to get your own tips and tricks by practice and like with trials and errors. It will be mostly errors.
And there are times for us as well when we are like, nahi match ho raha.
Yeah, it just frustrates me
Just
so
give up
much.
now. Because sometimes when you are trying to make them even,
It
you
becomes
start to
worse.
go overboard.
Yeah, like
And
in this
this wing, you want to end a wing at 1 millimeter and then you end up with 10 millimeters.
I know, like this one time I was recording and I had like eyeliner up till here. And I was like, I just wanted a small subtle wing and I don't even know how this
How it
happened.
happened. I was just trying to make both of them even.
Yeah, it's like it sucks more than a straw.
I don't know why that was so funny.
I don't know it was that funny. I'm funny.
I don't know why that was so funny.
Yeah, like this one time in college, I was having juice. So I always used to have juice in college because I don't drink Pepsi or anything. And the straw, it had holes somewhere. And it just wouldn't suck. So like, you had one job straw
You had one job.
and you suck at it. And you don't suck at it.
The irony.
The irony. Done with my brows.
Oh! Yes, be slow. Oh, that rhymes. No, be slow.
No, be slow.
No, be slow.
In a very wrong sort of a way, you know.
No, that's what she said.
That's what she said. I'm at my eyes and I'm using Makeup Geek Creme Brulee.
Oh my god, eyebrows. See, this is why I always cut out eyebrows from my videos. Because we be here forever. It takes me this long to do my eyebrows.
It's okay. I'm here for you. I'm using PP13 from PAC and look at the gorgeous pigment.
It looks so beautiful. Even I was thinking of doing a gold kind of.
See, smoky eyes are like the best. The best.
Tell me to do a smoky eye, I'm gonna do a chocolate brown gold smoky eye.
Yeah. If I was given 10 minutes to get ready, I would genuinely just opt for a wing liner and a nice red lipstick or like
Really? If I was given 10 minutes to get ready, I would do concealer, eyebrows, but I would just do powder. I wouldn't do the pomade and the everything. I would just do eyebrow powder and mascara.
Like generally, like right now,
I wouldn't bother with wing liner because I can't do it in 10 minutes.
right now I'm like off liner for a few days.
Really?
Yeah, I've been really enjoying like nice lashes off lately.
Without liner?
Yeah, without liner.
I mean, for some looks it's fine, but I feel like without liner, I feel incomplete. Wing liner makes your eyes just appear lifted. And
Yeah, that's what I see. That's how I
it
used
lifts your
to.
entire face.
That's how I used to feel for Kajal back in school. Like without Kajal, you wouldn't see me dead.
Really?
Yeah, I was that kid.
Yeah, maybe I was too.
But then
I
I
do
just,
not cut it.
हाँ,
You know, people.
और कुछ loud ही नहीं था. Like I see,
YouTube.
back in school, and I was like,
Oh, I never did anything in school. Yeah, I only did
Lip
Kajal.
balm?
But in 11th and 12th, I
You were
had
sassy?
a bombast wing liner in school, and so many teachers would stop me and ask me how I did my wing liner, and some other teachers would stop me and ask me to go wash my face, and I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm sassy. I have my wing liner.
yeah, no, like
But I had this opposite wing liner situation. You know, I didn't have a wing liner coming from the top.
from the bottom.
From the bottom.
Oh.
And it was a full-blown wing liner in school, and that was all, nothing else. Like just a wing liner, no face makeup, of course, no lip
The
makeup.
only time I did,
just wing liner.
the only time I did makeup in school, the only time I did makeup in school was either when we had like those annual functions, वो pancake makeup कर देते थे,
Oh my god,
which used to suck so
it
bad.
felt like they put put concealer all over
All
the
of
face.
it. And that was the highlighting concealer. That was never your shade.
Right.
Like you could be Snow White and they would still find a lighter shade for you. Like I don't know how.
See, oh my god, I hit pan. Did you see that?
Yes.
I just hit pan.
That's like the best feeling. That's one of the best feelings in the world. Like hitting pan on something. Like I hit pan on a concealer and I was like,
I have gone through many different tubes of Maybelline Fit Me.
Fit Me is really good.
I love mixing it with my Pro Longwear.
it would give you a little bit more hydration.
More coverage and more hydration. Because I love Fit Me for every day. It is very nice. Especially the shade Sand. It has a nice yellow undertone. It would suit you as well.
I have Fit Me with 10. I don't remember the name.
My shade is Sand. What is this?
I just remember the number.
This is 20.
I have 10. Going in with Lorac. So we did a lot of eyeshadow work, which is like basic. I don't think it's.
Yeah, you can find this in all of our tutorials.
Yeah.
This is like our
Go-to.
smoky eye look.
With a lot of wines and browns in the crease and bronzes and golden on the eye. That's what I like love doing. Like wine in the crease is like one of my
Oh yeah, I love that.
fave things. So we were talking a lot about bullying.
Yeah, we were talking about people who used to bully us in school and now
They're like,
please help us.
and it's not even about just, if we just like normal friends who didn't like ever did anything bad to us, I'm fine with them. YouTube requires a lot of patience,
So much patience.
dedication.
And it's not something that you can teach someone else in like a conversation.
Yeah,
It's something that you learn on your own.
on your own.
And we have made so many mistakes as well. I'm still making mistakes.
I am still making mistakes. I go wrong with backgrounds. I go wrong
with lighting. So many times it's hard. I go wrong with my setup sometimes.
And we're not technically trained to do this.
No.
Like honestly, sometimes
There's
I
no
feel,
school that teaches how to be a YouTuber.
yeah, like
It's something you learn, you pick up on your own.
see, sometimes I get mails from girls who are my followers and they're like that can you like please keep me as your assistant or something or something like, and I'm just like, it's not like I don't want other people in like my sphere. It's just that if I'm not replying to comments, it's me who's not replying to comments. It's better than someone else pretending to be me and replying to comments, and then someone doing my
Because
Instagram.
you have to approve everything before it goes out. You might as well just do it yourself.
Do it yourself. Yeah, and then someone else posting on Instagram for me. It's just like, why would I do that? It's something I enjoy doing, and I don't like the idea of.
But many people keep it turns.
Yeah, I'm fine with keeping an intern for like shooting and everything, and that only photographs, not my videos. Again, because this is something.
Sometimes you need it for vlogging and when you want to show yourself.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. For that, I'm fine. But when I'm shooting like makeup tutorials, because this is how we started. This is why we started doing it, because we like doing it.
I would love to keep someone who can edit my videos. That also means that I'll be able to make more videos,
Yeah, and put out more videos. Like you can make more videos.
I can make more videos then because I won't spend so much time editing. Many YouTubers have editors.
Yeah, a lot of them do. Like we talked so much about people in 9th standard and 10th board pressures and everything. I'm so sad that it all got like cut out.
Yeah, we were talking about such
Deep life issues
useful stuff.
and not just makeup for once. Like it's not that makeup is not useful. I would love to talk about makeup like
No,
for
that's
my
true. But
life.
we're talking about other more important aspects.
Like girls being shit scared. Like not even girls. Like kids these days, I feel like they start tuitions from first standard, and I'm just like,
My God, live your life.
live your life. Go out, play kho play Maran Pitti, play.
I feel so bad
Pittu.
for the children under the ages of 10 in the generation that we're living in. That
Oh.
makes me sound so old. But I feel
But that's true. They don't.
when I was 10, I used to go outside,
Like, and
follow
play.
the roads, get
And
hurt.
play.
I have so many scars on my legs.
Yeah, look at this, yeah. I have
Huh?
two.
Both my knees are scarred.
Both my knees, my
It used
elbows.
to bother me in school because I used to be like, "Hey, school में skirt पहनी होती है, legs पे scar."
That's where we started from. That once you're like a teenager, everything bothers you so much.
But
once
now
It-
I'm like, those remind me of happy childhood memories. I used to go outside and play with my friends. I used to ride bikes. I used to skate. I used to play chupan chupai in my colony.
Maran Pitti,
Ach,
corner,
Ach ka papda. It was
Gade
so
Mara Jhapda, Inich.
It was so fun, And now I feel like everybody's playing on their iPads. They're
Like,
playing on
even
their
in-
PlayStation.
Even in school, like when we were just in class, we always do like, Milo.
Chilo, shallow. Do you
Oh.
kids have iPhones these days? I had the Nokia that falls and then breaks.
Yeah! And one of my friends, she got that slider wala Nokia, that was the first, and everyone was like,
But you know, I love being a 90s kid.
I love it.
Because we saw a time when there were no phones.
There were no phones. Cassettes, like I wore a t-shirt the other day, it was like, that's how I roll, and there was a cassette with a pencil winding it.
Oh.
And I was like, yes, those were the
Cassettes
days.
and Walkmans.
Those-
Pagers.
Those were the days.
Look at the things I'm getting excited about.
That was the real shiz. Like, I used to love that time. I'm not even kidding you. We've seen the whole transition. Like, I think सबसे पहले CDs died out. Like, cassettes stayed for a while. Everything CD was like आया and then oh no.
Floppy disk.
Floppy disk. I still have floppy
I
disk.
still have floppies.
Because I love them.
They remind me of happy childhood memories.
Like CDs to died down so quickly. I was like,
How am I doing wing liner without pulling my eyelid?
not
This
wait.
is not
See.
gonna happen.
You want me to hold your mirror for you?
No, I'm gonna go in that mirror
Okay.
and do my eyeliner and come back in like 10 minutes. You know, I wanted to be an astronaut when I was young.
I wanted to be a space scientist. Yeah, I did not want to go to the space. No one's taking that kind of a risk.
No, I wanted to go to space. I wanted to travel to different planets.
No, never did, never would want to. I wanted to be a space scientist and develop those technologies. And then maths happened.
Oh, that's why I couldn't. I don't enjoy maths.
I don't enjoy
Maths
maths.
gives me a headache.
I know some people really enjoy maths, like my dad does. Maybe because sometimes what your parents do, you are bound to do like opposite things. You feel like you're always going to be judged by your parents. Yeah, hey, मैं तो कर सकता हूँ, why can't you do
Why
this?
can't you? But everybody's attitude is different.
हाँ, like especially when your mom judge for your rotis and stuff.
Oh my god.
That's like the worst. I never let my mom enter the kitchen whenever I'm cooking.
I don't cook. I hate cooking.
Like I love.
But you know what? The irony is, I know how to cook everything. I know how to cook every single thing. But I hate cooking so much. I don't enjoy cooking.
See, I don't know how to cook everything. I just like to, make pastas and pizzas and like more like baking stuff.
Oh yeah, I like baking.
I love baking. It's very
Very
beautiful.
fun. Because after the end,
You get it.
it's like you know you're getting dessert.
I hate that saying you can't have the cake and eat it. I'm like, why?
Why?
You have the
I will buy the cake. I will eat the cake.
Yeah.
You can have the cake and you can eat the cake and you can also eat ice cream.
Ice cream. Yeah, like screw you. I'm gonna have
Oh,
it
do you want chocolate? I have chocolate in my bag.
with chocolate. Is it fruit and nut? I don't like fruit and nut.
No, even I don't like fruits. I like nuts. I don't like fruits.
I don't like raisins. I hate raisins.
Give me cashew nuts. I have silk Oreo.
Oh. That reaction though.
I have Twix.
Chocolate is orgasmic.
I know. I have Twix.
I was so hungry right now that the silk feels so good.
So have more now. I wasn't giving you one piece. I was giving you the whole thing.
No, then you won't be left with anything.
घर पे बहुत बढ़िया.
Because that's why I don't stock on chocolate. Like I came back from Ahmedabad.
No,
and
the thing is, I keep it in stock क्योंकि घर पे होती है तो मेरा मन नहीं करता. But if I don't have it at home, then I want to buy everything and then I want to eat it in one go. So it's better that I keep it at home. तो मुझे पता है कि let me take it for granted कि ये तो है. चलो ठीक है, then we don't want to eat
You
it.
have siblings, no? That's why.
हाँ, I'm not a child.
When you have a sibling,
He eat everything.
yeah.
I guess there are some pros and cons.
Yeah. Like I remember the time when we used to like save 50 paise ke coin, add it to 5 rupees and get fun
And yes,
flips.
हाँ, toffees. Oh my god. Toffees वगैरह भी आती थी.
Like fun flips was my jazz.
50 पैसे का coin is.
No, it's not valid now.
It's not valid now. No?
25 paise, 50 paise.
I still have those. Though.
I have those.
I have 1 paise.
I have 10 paise. I have a lot.
I like to collect coins.
Yeah, like my nani used to, and then she gave it to me. So it's like अब सारा बाहर मेरे ऊपर है.
अच्छा.
And I like keep currency of the countries that I visited as well.
हाँ, even I know. I like to collect currency from
Currencies.
everywhere.
Yeah, I don't spend it. I only spend like my own money on makeup
The face that you make when you're doing your lower lash line.
and mascaras. Like
When you're doing anything on your lower lash line.
the worst.
Don't look at me.
It's like marry the girl who looks beautiful when doing her lower lash, and then you'll be a bachelor forever.
Nobody does.
My friend, she's been after my life to meet me, and every time it's like I'm working. Like today I'm genuinely working, but on other days I'm just in pajamas and I'm too lazy to change into jeans.
Sometimes you make plans and you forget that you have plans, and then on the day of the plan, people call you and you're coming, and then like, why did I make plans for today? I was sitting in my pajamas. I think you are done.
Yeah.
So you can just
Stare at you.
yes,
creepily.
that I was about to say that. You can just stare at me while I'm doing the rest of my face. Actually, Zafar is coming.
Yeah.
I'm kind of excited.
See, my excitement died the day when I came to know about the lead actors. Because I really wanted the
I
guy.
like the guy though.
I love the guy who played Neil in White Collar. I forgot his name. He looks like Hrithik Roshan, but a foreign Hrithik
No,
Roshan.
Hrithik.
Think of like Hrithik playing Mr. Grey.
Oh, that makes sense.
So it's like someone.
You watched the Vampire Diaries?
No, I haven't. I am so more older. Like
You are missing out.
I am more of a Game of Thrones person.
Oh, I can't watch violence and torture. I'm very sensitive about those things.
So today I'm gonna try a new thing. I'm gonna contour using fan brush. Have you ever done that?
No, but I've seen so many
people do it,
I can
yeah.
contour using a brush that is tapered from the sides. I love contouring with brushes like this.
So I'm just gonna use an eyeshadow because it's a matte eyeshadow, so why not?
And
It's very similar to Bahama Mama.
Bahama Mama is the best bronzer I've ever used.
I've never used Bahama Mama.
It is, the color is so perfect. It is not too warm. It is not too gray. It is perfect.
Like the only thing I love from the balm is Mary Luminizer. That's like my.
I love the Meet Matte palettes.
Yeah, I have Meat Matte. I have Meat Matte as
I love
well.
the Meet Matte palettes.
I'm gonna try and see if this thing actually works.
Did you hear that? That was my stomach. My stomach makes so many noises.
My stomach makes a dying whale noises.
Yeah, my stomach makes extreme noise. One time I was sitting with a college friend.
Okay.
And he was sitting on a chair and I was standing. So my stomach started growling. He said, "ऐसा लग रहा है machine gun चल रही है." And I was like, you know what? I'm not even embarrassed anymore.
Like at this
Because this is
point.
not something I can help, you know.
Yeah.
I should just accept it now.
See, fan brush is fine for just the placement. I think you need another brush to blend it out.
Yeah, I think fan brush is good if you want to apply it in a very particular
Spot, yeah. And I think fan brush are best for like, and even for my highlight, if I'm highlighting, I use this fan brush. So it's like
The fattest fan
the
brush in the
fattest
history of the world.
Yeah, I have never tried shaving my face, although I've heard like people like swear by it.
Yeah, I love to do it. It's very nice.
I
Once
shave
you try, you won't go back. It's so convenient.
It's so convenient. It's pain free.
It's pain-free, it's convenient. But I feel like for people who have a lot of hair growth, it might not be the best idea.
I'm on my third brush for blending this, man. No, the thing is, numbers at the end of the day are just what they are, numbers.
But it matters to a lot of people, no?
See, आज है कल नहीं है. जैसे people say for money, हाथ का
But
मेल.
you know, when I started YouTube, I was really scared. Because I have been on YouTube for about, I would say 1 year and 8-9 months maybe. About to be 2 years. So, I used to be very scared because you don't know what kind of comments people will leave, what kind of shit there's going to be on the internet. Because there are all sorts of people and no matter how much you try, you cannot please
You can't
everyone.
please everyone. You can be
Somebody is gonna say something.
like the saying, you can be the sweetest, ripest peach in the world, and then there's someone who's gonna hate
Who's
peaches.
gonna hate peaches?
And trust me, I hate peaches.
What, really?
I hate peaches.
I love peaches.
There's gonna be every kind of person on the internet, but of lately, you know what sometimes you say something and people perceive it in some other way and they make up their own stories about you in their head.
What if you become friends with someone?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
there are so many people who tell me, like who comment, who don't like tell me, but they comment that I am a very snob person. I'm a very.
But how can you say that?
When you don't even know someone, you haven't talked to me ever, you don't know my story, you don't know anything. Because
Like you would think looking at someone कि इसमें बहुत
Attitude होगा, हाँ.
ये तो बहुत snobby होगी. But once you talk, you know, we're just like
normal people.
chill, normal people.
See, there are so many people who have like resting bitch face, but
Yes,
they're not.
I have a resting bitch face. See all of my pictures on Instagram.
Like resting bitch
I think
face.
it's the bitchiest girl ever.
But it doesn't make you like it doesn't define you.
Huh.
So people have this perception that I'm like a snob.
Oh why? Where did it come from?
पता चले तो मुझे ही बताना.
But you know, this proves that you're not. Since you're collabing with me, you have 160,000 subscribers. I have 26,000 subscribers. That says a lot.
I haven't even seen your number, to be very honest. Like extremely honest. भोलेनाथ की कसम बिजली कड़क जाए पे अगर झूठ बोल रहे हो तो.
No, I believe you.
Like the first time I commented on your video, it was the first video I actually saw, and I
Look at this. See, that's why I wear pajamas. I always do this.
I remember commenting on one of your videos about how beautiful your makeup was looking. And that was the first video I ever saw. And I was like, okay, so we have more true blue makeup vloggers here.
And I feel like India needs
More true blue makeup
makeup
vloggers.
vloggers.
Like, I get the fact that you want to see more of DIYs. Like, DIYs are still fine.
Yeah, but true beauty enthusiasts.
Yeah, because there are like a lot of travel, fashion, beauty, everything. I'm not running them down or anything. I just feel
But
like
people who do actual makeup tutorials and who teach techniques.
yes, that's my girl right there.
100 subscribers doesn't seem like a lot of people.
But it's 100%.
If
Yeah.
100 people are sitting in
Sitting
front of you, they'll seem like a lot of
A
people.
lot of people. So I'm just gonna sit here and talk to you. I'm done, right? See?
Yeah, you're done. You don't use a lip liner.
No, I'm not a lip liner person.
Really?
Yeah.
I could use a lip liner and not even bother.
Yeah, but when I'm applying a lip liner, I'm just applying the lip liner. So that underneath lipsticks, I'm not a
No,
lip liner
not
person.
underneath. Just to give like
Nah.
a nice boundary.
Nah.
Because you don't overline your lips, no?
No.
I overline my lips.
I don't overline my lips.
Eyelash lift or extensions?
Extensions, lifting, everything.
I've had eyelash extensions. I mean, for the first 3 weeks, it's really nice. But I used to have lush lashes.
Yeah.
Like my own lashes were really nice.
Okay.
But after eyelash extensions, because they glue each
Each
single
section.
eyelash to each, it takes 3 hours.
It takes a lot, yeah.
So it's a very nice, relaxing process. But it takes 3 hours, and after when the lashes start falling, your own natural lashes fall.
Fall as well.
So I lost so much of my natural lashes.
Oh, that sucks.
So after that, my lashes have never been the same again.
Yeah, obviously,
But I would
that's the same with hair color. Once you color your hair,
You can never go back, huh?
you can never go back.
So the thing is, I would still get it done if, like, I have to go for.
The technician should be really nice.
The technician should be nice, but the thing is, shadi ho rahi hai, no? Very.
Yeah.
When you know you have to look good for 10 days
10 days
straight.
straight. And
Honeymoon pe ja rahe ho.
Which lipstick did you apply? It's very pretty.
Huda Beauty Bombshell lip liner.
It's very pretty.
I love it.
It's actually very pretty.
Huda Beauty lip liners are very nice. I only have this one. I want to get more.
Where did you get it from?
This Instagram store called International Makeup _. It is
International
so
Makeup.
pigmented.
Yes, I can see that.
Very pigmented. I don't even need a lipstick now.
Yeah, you don't. That's what I'm saying. Don't apply. Don't ruin the color.
I'm not gonna apply. What are you wearing on your lips? The Lakme one, na?
Lakme one and Androgyny on top.
Together?
Yeah.
2 liquid lipsticks?
2 liquid lipsticks.
Doesn't it get uncomfortable?
I had a very nice lip balm underneath.
Okay.
Why
Which
am I
one?
applying-
Why are you applying?
That's not me. Why am I applying more of this?
Because it's my turn to apply.
Yeah, I was like, चलो मैं भी लगा ही लेती हूँ.
I forgot to apply mascara on my lower lash line. Hamesha. Every time I forget.
That's probably what happens when you apply lashes. Because you're so engrossed in your upper lashes and you're like, oh, I
Who cares about lower lashes?
Yeah, who cares? While you're doing your mascara, I'll just order a pizza for us.
Oh yes, please do. Which one do you eat?
Oh yeah, I forgot to ask you which one do you eat.
No toppings.
Margarita?
Double cheese. Which one do you eat?
I eat Veggie Paradise. It has black olives, which I love.
I like black olives.
Black olives have my heart, my soul, my money,
I can have black olives.
my everything. So it doesn't really have like black olives.
I like red paprika on pizza.
It has red paprika. It has baby corn.
Oh, no baby corn.
It's alright.
I can have capsicum, red paprika, no onions.
No onions, so basically
No onions on pizza. I hate onions on pizza.
onions basically general in life I don't have, so yeah.
I think that's all. Jalapenos, black olives, red paprika. That's all. I
So
can have.
veg-
Capsicum. I can have capsicum on pizza.
Let me see.
So this is it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching us
Get ready.
talk about
And
all sorts of things and get ready. All the products that we used will be mentioned in the description box below.
Yes.
Shreya's products and my
My
products as well. Again, go watch the video that we did on Shreya's channel.
This is gonna be an interesting one as well.
Yes.
You're gonna know about some of our like holy grail products that we would take to our graves.
And I didn't even do like a 2016 favorites, so I think this video is going to be like
Yeah.
a good one.
Like,
because we're
all in
discussing
one.
all our best
things.
favorite products.
Yes.
So please check the video out and subscribe to our channel while you're at it.
But thank you so much for having me in this video.
Thank you so much for collaborating with me. I had a lovely time. We're actually at Shreya's
Same here.
place and I just had the best time.
Without any food though.
I mean, we are waiting for food, so we are gonna have
A
a better time once we have food.
Yes.
But let me just say, I'm so happy that we are collabing, and I feel so good.
I'm so happy because it's
Yes,
like
I'm so happy.
yes, this is like my first like true makeup
Yes. And this is the
collab.
first time I'm getting ready with someone who does as much makeup as I do.
I enjoy the process.
Yes.
Like let me highlight more and more.
We have been doing makeup for like 2.5 hours now.
I'm still like I can do makeup for more 2 hours
Yes.
like without any
And we're still gonna talk about makeup now.
because makeup.
Because makeup.
Yes.
So I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Let me know if you guys have any other collab requests for us. We would love to collaborate.
Yes, I would love to.
I would love to do this again sometimes, and the next time we do it at my place.
Yes, we'll at your place. Well,
Yes.
we'll like a night sleepover kind of
Yes,
thing.
because at my place we can only film midnight.
So we can do like a that
we do like a sleepover.
chill vibes.
Yes.
Kind. Like even my chill makeup vibes are very high makeup vibes.
We'll probably end up getting glammed at like 4 a.m.
Glam smoky eyes with red lips.